In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this healthy noodle salad. This recipe is also delicious, it's also easy to make, and it's also good for you. Let's start with this recipe by adding the chopped lettuce. Next ingredient is going to be chopping the chicken breast. Once the chicken breast is all chopped, I'm going to be adding it to the salad. My next ingredient is going to be the cucumber, so I'm just going to be adding them next to the chicken. Now I'm just going to be adding the mushrooms for more protein. These are the noodles, the ready-to-eat noodles, the spaghetti style. I found these ones at Walmart. I found these noodles where they have like the baking items and also where they have the flour. But let me tell you that if you can find it, as one of the workers to help you find this type of noodles. If not, don't worry, just use spaghetti or any other noodles that you have available at home. I wanted to show you how the noodles look inside. They have like water inside, but I'm going to open it and then I'm going to drain the water. Now that the noodles are drained, I just added them to the salad. Next, I'm going to be adding some chopped tomato. It's your preference if you want to add any tomato. I mean, you could make it your own and add any ingredients you want. My next ingredient is going to be a chopped jalapeno. This is actually a red one, but you could add even bell peppers if you don't want it to be spicy. My next ingredient is going to be the avocado. I'm only going to be using half of this avocado. I actually want to make this recipe kind of like a Mexican healthy style salad. Let me tell you that this salad is going to be full of healthy fats. It's going to have protein, vegetables. It's going to have a little bit of everything to keep you full for a couple hours. For the dressing, you can use any dressing that you want. The one that I'm going to be using is this one, the spicy cashew butter dressing. This one is from Trader Joe's. I also wanted to mention that I also added a couple grapes. If you have fruit available, you could also add any fruit that you like. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram to see more of my healthy recipes that you're going to love. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!